Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another beautiful bag to share with you, and this bag is actually in the rare color Jade. So I do occasionally find Jade bags, and this is the only one that I currently have in stock in the Etsy store right now. They typically sell really fast when I do find them because it is a pretty rare color. But this specific bag is still new, like in new condition with the original tag, and it's actually called a Hadley Zip bag. So the style number would have been, it's actually here on the tag, 9935, and as I mentioned, it's the color Jade, and this specific bag was made in the US in 1994. And as you can also see, it does still come with the registration card and this little sales booklet right here. So I'll go ahead and show you the actual bag now. It is a crossbody bag, so it's got a pretty long crossbody strap here, as you can see. And as you can also see, it's a pretty small size bag. It's a kind of a miniature size, I would say, but it would be good for fitting like the essentials inside, maybe a small wallet and just a few things that you need to grab when you go out the door, if you don't want to carry something heavy with you that day. Oh, I was also gonna kind of explain that the color, it's kind of hard to get it to pick it up just right on camera, but the color is this really beautiful, rich, kind of turquoise or teal color. It's probably closer to teal than turquoise, I guess, but it's really beautiful. So I'll go ahead and show you the bag itself now. So here's the front. As you can see, it's got a slip pocket right here. The creed is actually in this front pocket. So I'll go ahead and put a photo of the creed up now. Okay, so here's the rest of the bag. So here's the side. The little straps come through these eyelet closures, or eyelet, these little eyelet pieces on the side. And then here's the back. Doesn't have a pocket on the back, as you can see, and then here's the other side. And then this is what the bottom of the bag looks like, so you can kind of gauge how wide it is. And here's the top. It does have a zip closure, as you can see, with a leather zipper pull. So here's the inside of the bag, just to give you an idea of like the size and what you could fit. Like I mentioned, you could probably fit, you know, a small wallet, maybe your keys, and you could possibly put your phone in this little pocket here, and it would obviously like stick up past this pocket, but you could probably do that if you like. So that'd be an option. But anyway, here's what the inside looks like. So anyway, that's the Hadley bag, the Hadley Zip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll of course link all of the information about the bag in the description bar below, and I will of course leave the link to the Etsy listing if you wanted to check it out further in our store. I'll of course link that below in the description bar as well. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.